Okay, guys. Got a remote control. The guide right there, and it's like some kind of antenna. Two legs. Okay, so you can see there's a nice cardboard in the front to protect the screen. So, remove that. And there's also this foam piece right here also to protect the screen. There it is, guys. I think this is the bottom, so we may have to flip it over. Or nope, actually, I think that is the top. So let me go ahead and get the legs on and get it hooked up, and I will be back with you guys. I'll bring the video in to show you guys what it looks like once it's all hooked up. All right. Hey guys. So I got the TV all hooked up. It's hooked up to the internet and to my satellite. And so my first reaction is, I can't really complain too much about it, guys. I mean, it's, it is what it is. I'm not a technical guy, you know what I mean? Prior to this one, I had a 60-inch a Vizio. So this one is definitely a lot bigger. But one thing I can say when it comes to setting this thing up, it takes a while for to get all the updates and all of the new downloads and things like that. So initially it takes a little while to have everything, to get everything uploaded and updated and things like that. But once it's going out, when I first started up, the color was kind of off, so you may have to go into your settings and adjust it. I think I may still have to do a little bit more adjustment, but as of right now, it's working. I haven't tried using the Alexa part of it yet. I know I just got all of the voice commands for Alexa, and I guess I will make another video on that another time. But this is just the the part of the unboxing slash review video here. So if you guys are in the market for a big TV, I know I've seen some reviews on this on YouTube. There's one guy that says it's only good for like a business to advertise, like in your restaurant and things like that. That may be so, but like I said, once again, I'm not a technical guy. I mean, it works for me just fine. So if you're into all the technical specifications, and you may want to like look into the features on this compared to other ones in the market. So yeah, so I guess I can't complain right now, guys. Everything looks good. It works great. So I guess if you're looking for one of these guys, I picked this guy up on Amazon. So check them out. Grab yourself one. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if any one of you have the same TV. And if it's like a long-term review, how long have you had it for? Have you had any issues and things like that with it? So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Have a good day.